In this video, we will go over the basic knowledge of the Japanese tea ceremony Sado, which may be useful when teaching foreigners about this cultural art. First of all, looking back at the history of the tea ceremony. It is said that tea came into Japan during the Heian period and that Saicho and Kukai went to China and brought back tea. In the Kamakura period, the founder of the Rinzai sect, Eisai, studied abroad in China at that time and introduced matcha to Japan. In the Muromachi period, during the days of Yoshimitsu Ashikaga and Yoshimasa Ashikaga, there were gorgeous tea ceremonies with karamono utensils, tea utensils made in China, while viewing gorgeous hanging scrolls and enjoying Chinese art. Juko Morata is said to be the person who started the Japanese tea ceremony. Morata incorporated this Zen spirit, creating a simple 4.5 tatami mat room for the tea ceremony. Juko Morata is the originator of the Japanese tea ceremony Wabi-cha. Later on, Takenojo further simplified the tea ceremony. A student of Takenojo was the famous Shin no Rikyu. Shin no Rikyu was active from the Warring States period to the Usucha Momoyama period. He served Nobunaga and Hideyoshi. He expanded the idea of wabi to not only include tea ceremony tools, but also to the style of the ceremony itself and its mannerisms. Because of this, it is said that Shin no Rikyu is considered to be the person who perfected wabi-cha. I would like to talk about the spirit of the tea ceremony. The spirit of the tea ceremony is Shiki-shi Chi-soku. Shiki refers to the spirit Wakei Seijyaku. Wa means opening up to each other and getting along with each other. Kei means respecting each other with respect. Sei means purifying your surroundings as well as your spirit. Shyaku means maintaining a calm spirit. Next, I would like to talk about Rikyu 7 rules. 1. Make a good tea for your guest. This means to prepare the tea just right for those who drink. For example, if some guests do not like their tea too hot, then prepare a lukewarm drink. Likewise, if they prefer a very hot drink, prepare them a very hot drink. It's about serving tea that suits people. Two. Hot charcoal should be arranged so the water will boil well. This means that you should prepare the charcoal to heat the water with care. The guest will not see this act, but it is important to prepare with sincerity even if the act will not be seen. 3. Cool in summer, warm in winter. This means, be aware of the seasons. For example, in summer, wearing a kimono that looks cool and serving cool looking sweets. Four. Arrange flowers as they are in a field. This means as nature intends it, respecting life as it is. 5. Do anything with time to spare. This means make sure that you have enough time to prepare. 6. Prepare an umbrella even if it isn't going to rain. This means to be prepared, calm and ready for anything that may happen. 7. Respect all guests. To respect all guests and to ensure that everyone has an enjoyable time. In this way, the spirit of the tea ceremony bases itself on nature, the sense of the season, and a single occasion that will not repeat itself again with the host and guest. Next, I would like to talk a little about the current Japanese tea ceremony schools. The current major tea ceremony schools are the three Senkei, Amotsenke, Urasenke and Mushokoji Senkei. It is said that they divided into three by Rikyu's grandson. They are not very different in basic principles, however each have their own small differences. For example, when making matcha, Omutsenke and Mushokoji Senkei do not make the matcha foam. However, Urasenke the foam is firmly foamed to give it a texture. In addition, in the early Edo period there was a tea ceremony performed among the samurai families. For example, Inshu style or Seikishu style. Also, there is a style of tea ceremony that uses everyday tea leaves called Chado. Currently, it is said that there are 36 schools in the Chado Tea Ceremony Federation.